Hi, it's Dr. Judith Briles again, the book shepherd, and I'm still thinking about finding where your crowd is. Let's go back to the vision factor. You got to see it, okay? The commitment factor, you got to build it. You got to find them, and then you got to tell them. And when you do all those things, I promise you, they will come. Now, one of the things you could do is go into the Google, as I call it, and put in best social media platforms for business books. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I'll give you the hint. It's LinkedIn and it will be Twitter. And then you can dumb it out. Don't try to do everything. You can't be on all of them. You're going to go cuckoo with that. But there are amazing things that you can do. On LinkedIn, you can join over 100 groups and be involved with and start putting it. You can create your own group. Why not? You can do that on Facebook. You can build your own groups. You can join a gazillion of them. YouTube, you can create your own channel and start building on that to create followers in. And remember that niche factor. The more you niche it, the more powerful you can become. You become the go-to person. That adds into the use of hashtags and creating your own platforms that brings it in and narrows it down. That's where the influence comes from. That's where your strength comes from. That's where your author success comes from. So start using the Google. Gosh, I wish we'd had something like that when I started writing decades ago, because there wasn't. We had the library. Never underestimate the power of a library, but that's all we just had. And word of mouth, what you heard from somebody else. So start probing in and building your own. And developing it with your branding, and carry that through all social media platforms. You want consistency here, absolutely essential on that. Don't have a mishmash, and please don't put up a picture that doesn't look like who you are today. We don't need a picture of a dog or a cat. We love dogs and cats, but we don't need that. It's you that's being sold, the author as the expert of in this area, or the storyteller. That's where it's at. So build who you are. People will find you. They will come, but you've got to have it in place so you're findable.